HTML fundamentals. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Unlike a scripting or programming language that uses scripts to perform functions, a markup language uses tags to identify content. Here is an example of an HTML tag. The opening P tag has a less than sign, a P, and then a greater than sign. So it kind of is embracing the P. And then the text, I am a paragraph. And then in closing, we have a closing P tag, which is a less than sign, a forward slash, a P, and a greater than sign. This course is a combination of interactive quizzes and exercises to facilitate speed and quality of learning. Tap the Continue button to go to your first quiz. What does a markup language use to identify content? Tags. The web structure. The ability to code using HTML is essential for any web professional. Acquiring this skill should be the starting point for anyone who is learning how to create content for the web. Modern web design. HTML is for the structure, CSS is for the presentation, JavaScript is for the behavior, PHP or similar is for the backend, and CMS is for content management. HTML is easy to learn, so don't wait, dive right in. Rearrange the code to surround the text I am learning HTML on Solo Learn with opening and closing P tags. There's the opening P tag, I am learning on Solo Learn, and closing P tag. The HTML tag. Although various versions have been released over the years, HTML basics remain the same. The structure of an HTML document has been compared with that of a sandwich. As a sandwich has two slices of bread, the HTML document has opening and closing HTML tags. These tags, like the bread in a sandwich, surround everything else. Fill in the blank to create an opening HTML tag. Well, they already gave us the less than sign and greater than sign. All we have to do is type in the HTML in the middle. The head tag. Immediately following the opening HTML tag, you'll find the head of the document, which is identified by opening and closing head tags. The head of an HTML file contains all of the non-visual elements that help make the page work. So you have your opening HTML tag, your opening head tag, your closing head tag, and your closing HTML tag. The head section elements will be discussed later. Drag and drop from the options below to create a valid HTML document. We start off with your opening HTML tag, opening head tag, closing head tag, and closing HTML tag. The body tag follows the head tag. All visual structural elements are contained within the body tag. Headings, paragraphs, lists, quotes, images, and links are just a few of the elements that can be contained within the body tag. So here you see opening HTML tag, opening head tag, closing head tag, opening body tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. Rearrange the code to create a basic HTML document structure. We start off with the opening HTML tag, which is already showing. Then we have to have our opening and closing head tag, our opening body tag, our closing body tag, and finally our closing HTML tag. Creating your first HTML page. The HTML file. HTML files are text files, so you can use any text editor to create your first web page. There are some very nice HTML editors available. You can choose the one that works for you. For now, let's write our examples in Notepad. You can run, save, and share your HTML codes on our code playground without installing any additional software. What type of editor is used to edit HTML code? That would be a text editor, like Notepad, or Notepad++, which is also free on the internet, and I like it better. Add the basic HTML structure to the text editor with "This is a line of text" in the body section. So here you see your opening HTML tag, your opening head tag, your closing head tag, your opening body tag. This is a line of text, then your closing body tag, and your closing HTML tag. Don't forget to save the file. HTML file names should end in either .html or .htm. In our example, the file is saved as first.html. When the file is opened, the following result is displayed in the web browser. This is a line of text. What is the correct extension for HTML files? HTML. The title tag. To place a title on the tab describing the web page, add a title element to your head section. So you have your opening HTML, your opening head, opening title, the text first page, the ending title, ending head, opening body. This is a line of text, closing body, and closing HTML. This will produce the following result. So you've got the web page that has this is a line of text in the window, and then up on the tab you see the title that says first page. The title element is important because it describes the page and is used by search engines. Where should you put the title tag? Between the head tags. Creating a blog. Throughout this course, we'll help you practice and create your own unique blog project, so you'll retain what you've learned and be able to put it to use. Just keep going and follow the instructions in the task section. This is what your finished blog page will look like. Task. Tap Try It yourself to see the code and its output. So we start off with the opening HTML tag, the opening head tag, the opening title tag, my blog, the ending title tag, the ending head tag, opening body tag, and then there's an ellipses that show you that it's going to go a little further. Don't be afraid of long codes. By the time you complete the course, everything will make complete sense and look highly doable. We'll guarantee it. Task. Number 1, open the code. Number 2, on the top header, change the name to your own name. Number 3, change the page title. Remember, the page title is located inside the opening title tag in the head of the page. So let's open up the Try It Yourself link right here. Oh, we're not on the internet, so I can't do that. Okay, just as well. Fill in the blanks to add a title to the HTML page. Opening HTML tag, opening head tag. Here's where our title goes. Opening title tag, my blog. Closing title tag. And I forgot the /. There we go. Module 1 quiz. What is HTML? It's markup language. Of which main parts does the HTML file consist of? Head and body. Which tag contains the visual part of the web page? That would be the body. Fill in the blanks. Opening HTML tag, opening head tag, closing head tag, opening body tag. This is a line of text. Closing body tag, closing HTML tag. Okay, that finishes the overview section of HTML.